Hello everyone and welcome to GG Crypto. Today is the 20th of October 2025. In this video I'm going to be talking about the latest news in the crypto space, so let's get into it. Let's take a look at the total crypto market capitalization. Currently it's 3.77 trillion. It has increased by 4.64% in the past 24 hours. The fearing greed index is 30, the altcoin season indicator is 27, average crypto RSI is 46.5, and the altcoin season indicator over here is showing 41. Bitcoin price is 110,800, Ethereum price is 4,042, BNB is 1,120, and XRP is 2.46. As you can see here, in the past 24 hours, it's all looking green, which is exactly what we want to see. So the weekly candle just closed above the crucial 108K level. Technically, it's a massive win for the bulls. Now BTC has officially broken $110,000, clearing the post-retest zone and flipping resistance into support, as you can see here. This isn't just a price move, it's a confirmation that bulls are still in control, and that's exactly what we want to see. Let's take a look at Ethereum. It's looking pretty good here. Solid support, as you can see. BTC dominance is increasing a little bit, but nothing major, 0.18%. Let's take a look at the price of gold. As you can see, there is a neutral candle. Let's see if it starts going down, because gold right now is very much overpriced. The market cap of gold is $29.72 trillion, which is a very large number. Let's take a look at the liquidations in the past 24 hours. As you can see, people who shorted the market, shorted BTC, they got wrecked. Another $287 million went to the cartel's pockets, and that's exactly what they want. There is some news about the Fed. There's a big shift on the regulatory side. The Federal Reserve is hosting a conference focused on Bitcoin and crypto payments tomorrow. The same Fed that called BTC speculative is now dedicating an entire event to understanding how crypto can be integrated into payment systems. This is not FUD anymore, this is real engagement, as you can see. I would like to mention that Tom Lee, the co-founder of FunStart, just predicted that BTC is going to reach 250,000 in the next 75 days. We've seen him call massive moves before, and that timeline takes us into the year end of 2025, the historical sweet spot for the blow of tops. Let's take a look at Bitcoin monthly return percentages. Usually the returns are pretty massive, on average 20% since 2013. And this is the third month, as I said. Yesterday I was checking the same data and it was showing 6%. Obviously today the market has increased, and you can see that it's not 6 anymore, it's 2.41, which is great. We have another 10 days, so things are going to be getting better in my opinion, especially if BTC starts moving up, when gold is going to start breaking down. And as I've been saying, the money is going to come back to us. The macro backdrop is shifting too. Trump says he's open to cutting tariffs on China, calls Xi a smart leader, and mentions progress on soybean trade deal. That's easing the geopolitical tension and signaling less pressure on global liquidity. That's good news for us, good news for BTC, and obviously for altcoins as well. And gold looks like it's gonna top out pretty soon, while Bitcoin is just getting started, because we are talking about 150, 175,000, and some people, as I said before, are even calling BTC price to go up to 250 until the end of the year. So the analysts are pointing to a liquidity shift from gold to BTC, and we've seen that before. Few people understand that you can dig out another thousands of metric tons of gold and increase the amount of gold in the circulation, but you can never increase the amount of Bitcoin. It's fixed 21 million coins, and there's also talk that 3 million of that are forever lost. So you have 19 million Bitcoin in circulation, and gold you can dig out, as I said, you can find new reserves and increase the amount on a daily basis, and BTC is gonna be the same amount forever. So I think people are starting to understand the difference, but for the time being, as you can see, they are buying more gold than BTC. Also, there is massive macro signal from China. They have banned rare earth exports to the US military industrial complex, cutting off access to vital tech and defense materials. Analyst Luke Groman says that it's a direct challenge to the US dollar global dominance, and it's working. The dollar index DXY, as I showed you before, is on track to the worst year since 1973, down by 10% year to date. The USD has lost 40% of its purchasing power since 2000. Groman says hard money like Bitcoin is the only long-term fix, and we already know that. Lastly, I would like to mention Mt. Gox and the repayment plan, which is going to be completed by 31st of October 2025. They have still 34,000 BTC remaining, which is $4 billion roughly, that they have to give back. So the repayments are due by 31st of October. This could cause a short-term volatility, but the market has already priced this in, and nothing to worry about. So today I talked about BTC breaking about 110,000, short liquidations in the amount of $288 million. I guess these people will never learn the lesson. The Federal Reserve is now openly talking about crypto, and they are in fact embracing it. Trump is softening on China because he has no other choice. Gold rotation is very real right now. Dollar is falling, this is nothing new. And Mt. Gox is finally returning the remaining 34,000 BTC to the people, which is great. So my advice to you is just to be patient. Good things are coming. And I think we're gonna have a very good few months, especially before Christmas and New Year's. So do not despair, good things are coming. I wish you a great day or night. I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow again.